Right, carrying on in this wet room. I'm caulking around the door frames and everything. So I've done these. I just caulked around this window, or silicone round it rather. Got bathroom silicone. And I have one of these kits that has the little silicone squeegee type things with different size corners on and radiuses and stuff. And you can just squeeze the silicone on, and then you run round, and I'll be using that one, which is a 6mm bead. And you just run round, it scrapes it off all cleanly, so it's the only way I can make a good job of it. I'm not a siliconer. Right, that's tidy. Just get covered in silicone though. Get this stuff off my hands. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a tidy bead all the way around, sealed up. That's the squeegee with the different, that one's got different corners on it. There's round bits, there's all sorts in these sets. That's the squeegee kit I got. I don't think about probably £15 or something. You can do radiuses with these balls on them, and there's all different stuff, all different angles and what have you on there. And you get this whale, and I'm not sure what you do with the whale. Anyway, they're a good kit if you're doing some siliconing. You get a good result with it, and I can't do it any other way. There are people who are professional siliconers and all that, and they're really good with them. Right, we get this bathroom back together. So we're all epoxied up, worktop. We'll get it in here. There we are, fits like a glove on a chicken's top lip. So I've got this slot to build up. So we get all the backing in. So I'll get this screwed in. I've got all this made up, this panelling, as we've seen. I'll get this screwed down. So I've pre-drilled on the side of this, both sides for the screws. Then the side panel's made, that goes on there. I'll get this in, get the sink in, that needs sticking in and silicone in, and then we're going to make all the pipes up so it's ready for a test, so we can test this sink out and this shower out. we've got the worktop there, that needs fastening in. I might just have to glue that down because you can't get up to it or anything. So we'll see if we can get a couple of screws in, I don't know. And then I've got all the slots made, sat out there, ready to go in, box it all in. So we'll start at the sink side, we'll start at this side and we'll have this lot in. That's everything in position there. That side door, that's going to have a couple of not sure, catches or something on to hold it in, and a seal on the bottom, and that lot will want corking round. But before I do that, I'm just not corking the sink in or anything until we've tried the system out. You never know, and if I've for some reason got to alter something, I don't know. Can't really see the reason why, but it's better to test everything first. So we'll just pipe it all up. It can then all be tested out, and then I can silicone it all in. So it's better to be safe than sorry, messing around digging all silicone out. So we'll build this sink up. It's the most awkwardest one I've ever come across, I think, this. Right, so we're in position now, so I can make these joints up under here and get the waste on, and that's it. So that's everything in place now. Waste's on, taps are connected, all that lot's finished, it's all wired up. Service valve's on. Up here, all I've got to do is, when we've tested it out, is undo those two pipes, take the waste off, lift the sink out, and then cork it all up. That's what she looks like now. We're nearly there. I'm waiting for the demister pad for a mirror to arrive So we're mounting a mirror on there, and that loose cable is a 12 volt supply for the demister pad for the mirror. So we're over to this side now and we'll get this put in. I've tied these back into this timber here so they're all contained. That sits on lovely. Got to fasten that down the worktop, and then this, the covering for this, I've had it on and I've plumbed it all up. So that's on there. And that goes on to that. So I'm going to use some brackets on the inside to fasten that one on, and then using some clips that will go 2 on this side, 2 on that side onto timber on that side. We put that up the wall to hold them, and they're I forgot the name of them, but you can put a handle on here and you have to pull it off if you need to get in there, which we need to build access into everything. So that's what I'm doing now, is setting that up. We'll get that fastened on and then get these clips set up on this. Okay, so I've drilled 2 holes in the back side of that, which those holes all disappear behind the boxing. So there'll be 2 screws in there. It all sits down nice, and we'll just cork the front and the sides, and that should hold this down. So it's all sealed. It's not going to want to move much, you know. It's not too sealed that it can't move a bit, because if it can't move a bit then it can split, and we don't want that. So that's what we'll do. Easy way to fix it in. There's no screws showing. Right, we're using these, they're called button fix, panel fixings. This button system, so that's it set up. Right, that's what goes onto the door, that or the opening, the hatch or whatever. That screws to the blank there. And all this red thing is a setting tool that sets all that up. It actually sets that to back mark. I think it's 16mm. So all we do is we now hold that on there, screw that on, the 2 pins there, you then push your hatch up to it and it leaves 2 indentations then, and that's your hole centres. Clever. Right, so we can put them where we want, because you don't have to mark anything out. Right, to set them up, those 2 components, put that there, clip it in. And that way around, and that, just push it on. Oh, the snug fit, and there we are, set up. Hold it where we want it. We'll have it down here. push it in, that's it. Oh. So all we do now so we can see there's the two steel pins, so all you do put that on, press on it, and that mounts your holes. Then take that black and red bit off and screw your, well, pilot your holes, put the black bit on, and it shoves straight on. It's all marked up. Right, we'll set them up here. What am I doing? Wrong way around, dumpling. That's it, that's it. That one that way. So they're all set up, we'll just put them where we want them. So they're on and the marker's in place, so we're going to now put this onto that wall. Okay, so I've put some brackets on there, there's 3 brackets, and we're going to attach them to the wall using this horizontal slotted one. So because it's got to match up with the board coming here, so if we use that one first, we've got sideways movement. Right, we're on the line, we'll get them on. We'll see how lucky we are, see if it all lines up. Sometimes you've got to tweak them. Ha! Worked. That's it, first time lucky. So we'll have to move that panel now and get to those fittings in there, should we need to remove those vents and fillers etc. outside. And because they're just here, should we have to undo them, we can just undo that, take this front panel off, this can stop on, so we can cork it all up, which will mean we don't have to disturb that then. And I may just cork this as well, because it's only once in a blue moon it's never going to come off. You know, if it might be years before I take that off, but it's good to be able to get in there anyway. And if it means just having to cut the silicone seal and re-silicone it once we've done whatever we've had to do, and it's back on for the next few years, then we can just do that and make a tidy job of it then. It's all sealed up. We'll have a look as usual. See, all the joints are up nice and tight. What will be the silicone down there. This could all go on the top trim now for the lights, they can go in. We're getting there a bit further on today. So these are those fittings, and that's a pack. You get 30 buttons and 30 of the brackets, and with that one you get 6 of the red marker tools. That's the name of them, button fix, panel fixing made easy. The British invention, they're very good. sometimes, because they are adjustable these, and you know, you don't always hit them first time and you have to just move them a little bit and what have you, but generally they're very, very good. So I do use them, and we've used them under here, if you can see the same thing. So I'll leave you a link to them, and if you need anything like that, they are good fixing panels in and what have you, and they really do get old. You've got to get a handle on that now to get that back off, get an even pull each side, it'll come straight out. You can't like pull one side first and then that don't work. It's got to be a straight pull, comes out. So we need to fit these next. So we have 2 parts to it, or 3 parts, because you've got your panel as well. Basically that goes there, and then this one up there, and the panel in between. So we'll just get the panel cut, we'll try it in, and they're still not finished these, so they want some lacquer on them. Hey!
And is it?
That's it, man.
So let's go that up at 100.
Right.
And we can try that in then, can't we? Got the screw?
Yep.
So there are the marks. That one. Oops. And that one.
Okay.
Right. I'll move my hand. So
now the magic. It's magic. So
and we can put the what you call it through.
Sit in it.
Yeah. And then, like you said, we just need to do them things maybe every once in a while. You know, that bit that we're going to do.
Yes, I'm going to go
just
and
to push it out.
I keep forgetting to get them. Yeah, that's all we need.
Yeah, that'll do it. That'll just stop the rattle, won't it?
Rattle,
you know what I mean?
Stop Paul rattling. No chance. No off button.
No, definitely not.
Right, that's it then.
Yeah. Right.
That's it. Right.
There you go.
You don't check them out every day, do you?
No.
You go in and that's it once and that's it.
Cheers, bud. Cheers, buddy. Right.
So that's how the light system fits in, or the lighting cornice rather. So it was just raw timber that, so now it needs sanding and lacquering up to make it nice and pretty and watertight. So that's it for today anyway in here. We'll carry on tomorrow.